Ugh, another boring day, just like so many others. Worse still, I'm going back to school soon, after I got expelled. Sure, I might be grounded, but I don't want to go back. You know what? I'm going to the kitchen. I might find something fun to do there. Okay, where the hell is everyone? It's dead quiet right now. Damn it. I don't even have anyone to annoy. This is extremely annoying. You know what? That gives me an idea. I'm surrounded by things I can ground right now, inanimate objects. They can't fight back, or ground me. It's a perfect idea. I don't see how anything could go wrong with this. Inanimate objects can't think, after all. I could get really creative with my grounding too. I'm going to start with the fridge. Better get ready, you stupid household appliance, because here I come.
I heard that, you know. Just what do you think you're doing? Don't even think about grounding me, or there will be consequences, you bald-headed troublemaker.
What does it look like I'm doing? I'm going to ground you, and there's nothing you can do to stop me. But wait, hold on a moment. You're alive? How are you alive? You're just meant to be a big hunk of stupid metal that keeps our food cold.
You clearly don't understand the way things work around here. I've always been alive, ever since I rolled off the production line in Australia. I just haven't shown myself yet. Now, I'll ask the question. Did I hear something? Because it sounded like some brat was about to ground me. I sure hope that foolish child doesn't do it, or I'll do something too.
You think that's going to stop me? I'm the boss around here, not you, you stupid fridge. You say you've been alive all this time? Well, get ready for the grounding of your life.
Are you seriously that stupid? I said there would be consequences.
Oh. Fridge, how dare you exist? That's it. You're grounded for 1,334,637,987,654,637,321 years. Break down and stop working now.
Yeah.
It worked. It really worked. I grounded the fridge. Yay.
Oh my god. This is so sad. It's so sad because you fell for my trick, you fool. Classic Caillou. I warned you that if you grounded me, there would be consequences, and now I'm going to give them to you.
Wait, what?
How dare you ground me? That's it. You're grounded for 52 weeks. That also means you won't be allowed to take any food from me for a week as well.
But I put a load of chocolate and soda inside your door. How am I supposed to get it out now?
That's your problem now, kid. And besides, since you're now grounded, I'm sure your parents won't let you eat that stuff anyway. Go to your room right now for the rest of the day.